Now we want to examine the A minor arpeggio. We have 8 notes, and we will take our cue from A as the first note, B as the second note, C as the third note, this is already displayed, D as the fourth note, E as the fifth note, F as the sixth, G as the seventh, back to A, which is the eighth. It's also a duplication of the 1. So I explained that arpeggio is having the 1, the 3, and the 5, and you play the higher octave of the one that you played initially. So for A minor, we will have A, we will skip B, we'll play C, which means we are playing A, skipping B, we are playing C, skipping D, we are playing E, skipping F, skipping G, and back to A. That is A minor arpeggio. So we will play it now slowly. One more time. One more time.